going to show you how to make this small tray. So let's get started. So what happens is when I use origami, I have to cut squares also. So I get left out with a lot of this extra paper. So you can literally start from any rectangular paper. So let's just start. Now first thing I want you to do is to hold it lengthwise, length away from you, and you just fold this into half, just like this. I'm just turning the paper sideways. So always fold the paper away from you, never towards you. After you're done, just take the center line and fold this right to the point, just like this, and also from here to the center line, just like this, and just crease throughout. Once you're done, you can just open this. Now if you're a fan actually of using a ruler, you could do that, but I would recommend if you could do a small pinch here just to get the halfway point. Remember, we just need a small pinch, just this much. Once you're done, just bring one side to the center, just like this. Now this one is where you crease it throughout, and repeat on the other side till here, just like this. Now once you're done, we are now going to start collapsing. So just fold the top to the bottom, just like this, and fold the bottom to the center. Now carefully open just one side, just like this. And you'll notice that there are these, the paper is not lying completely flat. Now just observe this line over here and just put your finger inside and just press downwards, just like this, and ensure that the line falls right over here. For seasoned origami people, this is a simple squash, and you repeat a squash here as well. Same thing, if you're uncomfortable with this, just turn the paper over and just do it's the same thing. And we're going to repeat it here exactly again, just like this. This I think is, even if you are off by a little bit, that's completely fine. It's not going to matter in this model, because this is not a very precise model per se. Relies on very basic stuff, very basic folds. Like again, this is not really accurate, this is not accurate at all. Now just get the bottom line right here and just fold it upwards, just like this, and fold it back. Now you have this line right here, just fold it till that line and fold it up, just like this. So once again, on the other side, you have the bottommost line, fold it upwards of that, bring it down. You have to bring this flap the upper side, just like this, and then bring the whole model up, just like this. Now this is the best step that I like. I want you to hold this part and this part and just pull it, and automatically it just starts taking this shape. You just need to press it a little bit, and there you have it. 2 trays for you. You can put anything, bits of this, for example, I'm just putting a battery here. You can, even give this to kids to play some games. Thank you.